Hello everyone, dear student. This is the next video for the chapter The Bed. Now today we are going to see the exercise number D. Write your answers. Was Mr. Fogg like a machine? Which events in the play make you think otherwise? Okay, here we have to write this answer, that was he like a machine, and we have to also add the events that make us to think about him as a machine. You see here the answer. Yes, he was just like a machine because he does the same thing. He does the same things every day at the same time to the machine. Okay. Here you can see that he was just like a machine because he does the same things every day at the same times, like the machine. Here you can change it like the machine. Okay, now क्योंकि मिस्टर फिलियास बेट का जो पूरा टाइम शेड्यूल था वो बिल्कुल एकदम टाइम टू टाइम फिक्स था। वो कोई भी काम बिल्कुल पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर ही करते थे। सेकंड नंबर देखिए, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ मैन वाज पासरपाटू? पासरपाटू किस तरह का आदमी था? यू सी पासरपाटू वाज एन इंटेलिजेंट cooperative kind of man. He was an intelligent and cooperative kind of man. He was a helping kind of man. Helping kind of nature. Okay, so these are the two questions related to exercise number D. Now you see next exercise number D. After many nail biting adventures, this is the line that is in this chapter. Adventures can refer to journeys into unknown or unfamiliar places. What does nail biting mean? When do we tend to bite our nail? When do we tend to bite our nail? Were Mr. Fogg's adventures exciting or boring? You see, nail biting means to bite or chew the nails. Nail biting means to bite or to chew the nails. We always do it when we feel nervous. Yes, Mr. Fogg's adventure was exciting and nail biting. Okay, his adventures were exciting and nail biting. This is the answer for point number 1 in exercise E. Now, number 2. Let's not be too hasty. Let's not be too hasty. Hasty means hurry. Hasty means hurry. What does the speaker mean? What doesn't he want them to do in a hurry? Now see. Mr. Valentine means to say it that they should not celebrate their victory. They should not celebrate their victory on the bed as Mr. Fogg was very punctual. He never arrives too soon nor too late. Okay, Mr. Fallon Valentine मीन्स टू से जो उन्होंने सेंटेंस कहा था लेट्स नॉट टू बी हैस्टी, इनके द्वारा मिस्टर वैलेंटाइन के द्वारा ही कहा गया था दैट दे शुड नॉट सेलिब्रेट देयर विक्ट्री ऑन द बेट एज मिस्टर फॉग वाज वेरी पंक्चुअल, ही नेवर अराइव्स टू सून नॉट टू लेट. ओके, नाउ नंबर 3 you see number 3, and the muffled sound of the crowd from outside. Muffled means a sound that is soft and not heard clearly. Why was the sound of the crowd muffled? You see here, the sound of the crowd was muffled as Mr. Fogg arrived back after a successful trip to the world in 80 days. He was followed by a crowd of people. Okay, तो जो साउंड वहाँ पे था वो इसीलिए मफल्ड कर रहा था, इसलिए वहाँ पे इतना साउंड और वहाँ पे मफल्ड साउंड था, सॉफ्ट एंड नॉट हर्ड क्लियरली, जोर जोर की आवाज़ भी वहाँ पे आ रही थी, क्लियर नहीं था, बिकॉज द क्राउड द पीपल्स ग्रुप एक्साइटेड सो मच टू सी द अराइवल ऑफ मिस्टर फॉग एज he had completed a very successful travel to the world was only in 80 days, and it was followed by a crowd of people. Okay, now you see number 4. There is a roar of hurrah from the crowd outside. You see, the crowd was cheering. Hurrah means होता है matter of joy. Okay, so the crowd was cheering as Mr. Fogg fulfilled his promise, his bid to travel the world in 80 days. So every day, everybody was celebrating that. So there was a loud cheer. Hurrah is a loud cheer, and hurrah means people were enjoying so much there. Okay, because this is a matter of joy for them. Now you see here, match the two columns correctly. I will say there is a remote. I will say there is a remote. फर्स्ट को आप यहाँ मैच करेंगे एफ नंबर से रिमोट. पॉसिबिलिटी दैट विराट कोहली विल विजिट अस. फर्स्ट का एफ से आई विल से देयर इज अ रिमोट पॉसिबिलिटी दैट विराट कोहली विल विजिट अस. सेकेंड नंबर, व्हेन द शॉप डोर्स ओपन देयर विल बी अ headlong rush towards the sale counter. Rush towards the sale counter. सेकेंड का सी से. थर्ड नंबर है I will give you clear. I will give you clear. अब इसको बी से मैच करेंगे. इंस्ट्रक्शंस on how to get to the house. Okay. Next नंबर 4. He was not a person who made friends easily or quickly. Okay, friends easily or quickly means आप यहाँ पे इसको मैच करेंगे ए से. 4 नंबर को ए से आप मैच करेंगे. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है, नंबर 5. शी इज गोइंग टू ओपन. शी इज गोइंग टू ओपन डी नंबर से मैच करेंगे. एन अकाउंट विद दिस बैंक. an account with this bank. Okay. Number 6, she is taking, so she is taking last में ही बच गया, her driving test tomorrow. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now the last is exercise number G. You see here exercise number G. The first is Mr. Fogg was. Mr. Fogg सुटेबल यहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव लिखना है, लिखेंगे यहाँ पे Mr. Fogg was punctual. Okay, punctual, he was never late for anything. Second है Mr. Fogg had dismissed his assistant recently, his previous personal assistant. Okay. Number 3 है Mr. Fogg made a world tour bet. लिखेंगे क्या, world tour bet. Number 4 है Passepartout was that it was a Saturday, surprised. Okay, surprised. Number 5 लिखेंगे Mr. Fogg, Auda and Passepartout had many adventures. आप इसमें सेंड लिखेंगे nail biting adventures. Okay. The last number is in Liverpool, Mr. Fogg was very, because he thought he had lost the bet. यहाँ लिखेंगे आप nervous, because he was very nervous. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. We have completed this exercise very easily. Finally, the chapter, the bet, has completed very successfully, and now you will complete your HW. You will do all the exercises in your copy. Okay, now you do your work. Till then, you enjoy your day. Goodbye.